morning and welcome to Wholesome Roots. Today we are celebrating a year anniversary since Justin Rhodes came for the Great American Farm Tour. We are really excited about the year and the changes that have come, and we are very grateful for the influence that he's had on our YouTube career. After the Justin Rhodes premiere of the $5 chicken tractor, we gained 200 subscribers almost overnight. Within a 48-hour time frame, we went from 300 subscribers to 500 subscribers. And I think that made a big difference in our ability to grow and improve. But mainly, I think what really made the big difference was talking to Justin and talking to Rebecca about our channel and about what we wanted to do, and getting the inspiration to go out there and create great videos on a daily basis, and to invest in a better quality camera and higher quality editing program so that we could create good videos with great content that also had the quality that we were lacking with our cell phone videos using the free YouTube editor. So I want to thank you, Justin and Rebecca, for that, and I also want to thank you guys for your friendship. Over this past year, I feel like I've gotten to know you more and more, not just through your videos, but chatting with Rebecca and, you know, just seeing the kids grow. And I just feel like you guys are like another family member of ours, and you guys are welcome back anytime, and we would love to have you visit our farm. We have grown leaps and bounds farm-wise since you left, as well as our channel. Our channel is now over 3,600 subscribers, and we are increasing our herd every day. We have more chickens every day, and we just want to share that with everybody. So I have put together a video of the day that we had with Justin and Rebecca and the kids. I have used some material from Justin's video with his permission, and I have used some of my own material, and I hope that I can put it together in a quality that you guys can fully enjoy. So please enjoy the video I've prepared for you to celebrate our year anniversary since the Great American Farm Tour came to visit us at Wholesome Roots.
It's 10 a.m. We're leaving these guys. They were wonderful hosts. We're on our way to Rosemary from Wholesome Roots. This is a homestead where she's got goats and chickens and things like that. It's gonna be good. It's only about an hour away. Let's do this.
We are beyond excited to be hosting the Justin Rhodes channel today. I'm gonna get these for our dinner tonight with Justin and Rebecca and the kids. That is, I think, all of the ones that we have. And we can use both the tops and the roots. So that's super yummy and good for us.
Another gorgeous Georgia town.
All right, and now we're all patiently waiting for the Rhodes to arrive for the Great American Farm Tour Wholesome Roots edition.
I'm excited. Boys are excited too.
Looks like we are there. They got the camera on me. I'm gonna give them a big honk. We've had a nice afternoon hanging out, relaxing a bit with Wholesome Roots. Look at this. Look at this welcome sign they gave. Is that not amazing? They've made us an awesome dinner. We're about to take part in that. This evening we're gonna go out and do chores. We're gonna milk the goats, put up the goats, move the chickens, and collect eggs. Oh my word, we have a toy explosion in here. I think you guys need a little bit more cars. I think you could use a little bit more toy cars or toy animals. Poor kids, they don't have any toy cars or toy animals to play with. And look at this kitchen, this old house.
I wish you could smell it. It smells amazing in here.
Okay, tell us who you are and what in the world you're cooking.
Hi, I'm Rose, and I am making some black rice and arboreal rice. And Ryan made
Grass-fed beef brisket.
Woo!
That's from Swanson's Family Farm, a local grass-fed beef.
Nice.
And I'm making some turnips.
Nice.
And about to throw these greens into the pan. And I think that's it. I think that'll be enough. Will that fill you up?
Organic chicken thighs.
Oh yeah, organic chicken thighs as well.
Wow. Did you envision eating like this when we left?
I didn't. I know, and I don't even have to cook or anything. Like, it's amazing.
Brisket, come on now, guys.
That I am your biggest fan, Lily. Yeah? I am all of your biggest fan. What do you think? You love it? You're gonna be shy. How's the food? It's disappearing pretty quick. Yum yum.
Thank you very much. It's delicious.
You're welcome.
I don't know that yet. I don't know if it is.
Well, let's
it
hope
looks delicious.
I hope it turned out good.
Okay. You like yours, Mr. Brown?
I already got some water.
This is absolutely delicious. I wish I had taste vision, so you gotta have some of this. Just had a delicious dinner. Check out that sunset. It's gonna be absolutely beautiful. We're about to do our chores.
Alright, we are having an incredible time here with Justin and Rebecca and the kids from the Justin Rhodes channel. And we just finished eating dinner and now we're gonna go on to the evening chores.
I'm just moving their food out of the way. I kind of keep everything nearby, water and food, so I can move the chickens, and then I fill up a bunch of water buckets so I have water for them. And then I move the chickens every day, try to get them to cover all of this pasture right now. The reason I have so many tractors is because I don't only keep them in a straight line like this. Sometimes I also will put them across garden beds and let them tear up the weeds and dig up the ground and poop. I really like the tractor system I have, keeps them safe. One bad thing about the tractors is they don't always lay their eggs in the nesting boxes, especially the new chickens. So I'm trying to teach them to lay their eggs in their nesting box.
He's just got reused kitty litter boxes for his nest box. We're using some wool in there. That wool is a byproduct of his day job.
Bellies.
They all have tractor shirts on.
Yeah, they do. They match.
Sunflowers.
Is that for me?
But it's actually, I was joking.
You got one for me too? Oh, thank you. That's a pretty little flower.
I was joking. It's just mine.
It's just yours? You were joking? That was nice. Here, silly boy.
How much did one of these chicken tractors cost you?
Nothing. Not really. I try to use, actually a lot of the material is wood that I've salvaged from other projects.
All of these chicken tractors is scrap wire, scrap lumber, and did you find scrap tarps or did you have to buy the tarps?
I did buy the tarps.
But that's a pretty, so this is less than $5 then right here.
Just the effort and the time. That tarp actually came from I think it was a gym. It's actually an advertisement
Okay, yeah.
Board.
And does this work to keep the predators out for you?
It does so far.
Good.
Here, I've learned some lessons from past tractors where now I reinforce all of them with chicken wire and hog wire or field fencing.
And what are the sizes?
These are all 8x4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the ones on the very end, those are 10x5. I decided to try something a little bigger just to see how that worked out. Really, I like my 8x4s better. They're easier to move, and our garden beds tend to be 4 feet wide, so they fit over a garden bed perfectly. When the big ones, they kind of overlap a little bit. But
how long does it take you to build one of these?
That's tough to say because I usually use my spare time to put them together, but I could probably do one in a whole day if I had all day to do it.
Playing in the water?
This is 6-way non-GMO scratch. It's not their primary diet. It's only a treat I got just to give it to them every now and again.
What's up with all the roosters with your laying hens?
Couple reasons. Breeding program, so we can try to selectively breed different breeds of chickens, and also to help keep them safe from predators if any did get in.
He's literally putting it in his ear.
Aww.
He was trying to put it in
the
his
wildflowers.
Yeah, me too.
Come, you wanna come help with the chickens, Mr. Brown?
You guys want to feed them?
Give them a scoop, Mr. Brown.
Oh, uh-oh. You already had it.
All right, dump it in there. Here, let's hold it up high. Ready? Good. Good job. What kind of chickens do you have?
We have Rhode Island Reds, Easter Eggers, Black Copper Marron, cream leg bar.
What are you doing with the eggs?
We eat them mostly. We sell them a little bit, and we're also gonna try to breed, hatch some chicks for a show coming up in March. Must have got all these. Thank you. The sheep wool is working out pretty well as a nesting material for the chickens, because I was having a problem. Every time I put straw in, the chickens would kick it out within 10 minutes. And I just had to keep repeating and eggs were getting gross, and thought, I work on a sheep farm and I've got bags of wool stored away from shearing last season. Why not give that a try? And so far so good. They seem to be using it for the most part.
How many hens do you have in each?
The 8x4s are meant to hold 7 to 8.
Hey, how many comes out a day?
I usually can get like 4 eggs a day right now on a good day. And the numbers are just growing up because the days are getting longer, so they're laying more. We have a lot of new hens that hadn't been laying before.
That's over 2 dozen eggs in a week.
Yes.
That's incredible. From a $5 chicken coop.
Yep. Anybody could do it, you just gotta have the time.
You vlogging?
I'm trying, getting a little here and there.
Okay, good.
Did you already set up their food in the stalls?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
We're gonna go move the goats in and milk the one. Rosemary, I gotta give it to you. Vlogging with an iPhone and YouTube editor. Props for not letting anything stop you.
That's right.
Are you gonna have a video about this by the time this goes out?
I hope to.
Okay, I'll link this.
There we go. Getting staged. I'm gonna fill up one bucket and then pour it into each one of them so they'll all have room to eat.
What are you feeding them?
We are doing non-GMO all stock, and we're doing alfalfa pellets, sunflower seeds, and oats. All right, we need some more water in here. I also need to make sure I check for everybody's waters are full, and give some chaff hay, which is a fermented alfalfa hay. The maternity stall has a little bit more stuff happening in here. So we're putting a nice fresh layer on top so when they bed down for the night, they have a nice place to sleep and they're not laying in their own feces. So we do a mix of the non-GMO all-stock, some alfalfa pellets. Those are really good to make sure that you have those in your does that are in milk or pregnant. It's really high protein. Some sunflower seeds to keep a healthy, shiny coat. Not as much on those, just a little bit for flavor and crunch. And some oats to keep it diversified. Where do I put it?
I saw him take one out earlier.
Okay. Just put it down next to the food bowl and we'll get it when we go out and grab it. We do this because our goats are spoiled. But it also trains them to come right in the barn. When they come in the barn, they go right in the stall.
How do they know which stall is theirs?
They used to be really good about it and would literally go in the correct stall every night. Since we got the Alpines last month, they've been way more confused about it. And we kind of have to see who's not paying attention in the wrong stall and grab them by the collar and show them to the door and they go in the other one.
You ran the tractor?
Yeah.
Go for it, buddy.
In my way.
This might go a little uglier than usual because we've never had to separate the mamas with their babies on the coming in at night chore. So this is the first time they're gonna go into a different stall and I'm thinking I might have to like hold the babies and that way the mamas will follow me and go into the correct stall. But we'll see. We're gonna do this, hopefully it'll go smooth. Got eyes on the babies, they're all with their moms. We might not have to pick them up. They might stay with their mamas. And these goats are gonna come flying out of here and running down the hill.
Is everything going good?
I think so. I'm gonna see if I can get these mamas to go to the last stall. Nope, they're not. All right, I don't want you to get trampled. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. There we go. All right. All right, you guys stay right here. Oh, good mamas. Look at that. They barely even looked at the food. They were like, look at the baby girl. Yeah, you're supposed to be in here. You're not. Nope, nope, nope. You had it right the first time. Come on. Move your butt. So we only had one or two that were in the wrong spot. That's not too bad. Had to grab those babies fast though. Whew. I was scared they were gonna get stepped on.
Baby goat in.
Come on, let's go see the baby goats. Come here, Mr. Brown. Here's one. Here's one.
Hey.
Oh.
Whoa! Oh, that's a wood. That's a wood. That's a wood.
Yeah. You like that? You like petting the baby goat? You two are cute together.
Here. Here, here.
Mm-hmm.
Here.
We were gonna milk the one, but Rosemary decided she didn't need it. Mr. Brown, you wanna say goodnight?
No,
Say goodnight to the goats.
no, no, don't.
Aww.
Night-night goats. This is the life, y'all. You're the shoe off.
We got knuckles and buttons. Ray.
All right, I got them. Are you gonna put them in the hallway?
Yep.
Wow, you're such a good boy.
And I have these
Thank you. You guys sure are having fun, aren't you?
Too much fun, I think.
Good. I'm glad to hear that.
They're real kind. Actually, can you?
What are you getting into, Lily?
Wow. And we
Toys? More toys?
got
You ready to watch the Justin Rhodes channel?
No.
No?
Yes, I am.
We don't have to watch it. We have it happening live right here. What do you say about that? Saying good night to everyone. You're gonna miss your new friends, Rowan?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're gonna miss your new friends, Liam? Thank you guys for coming. We loved having you.
welcome. Thank you for having us. It's an awesome place.
And thank you for dinner. It was so amazing.
I'm glad you enjoyed
I
it.
didn't have to cook or clean up, so it was a super plus.
That's always good. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video, and please like, share, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time on Wholesome Roots.